So let's take a look at PostgreSQL Expressions. So I have opened PSQL Shell, and if you have command prompt, you can also enable PostgreSQL service in the background, so you can access this shell. Okay. So in my case, I'm just going to check for this PostgreSQL folder, and here I can start this PostgreSQL service. Okay. After that, you can just simply open this shell, and let's start with numeric expression. So for numeric, let's do one form of addition. Okay. So first thing, use this select keyword. Then within bracket, let's say I want to do addition of 12 plus 4. Okay. And here I have to mention that this is addition, semicolon, and I get the addition. Similarly, I can make use of subtraction, multiplication, and also division. Okay, so this comes under numeric expression. Okay, so let's say apart from this, you can also use date as time expression. Okay, so simply use select, and then you can use current underscore time stamp, and then semicolon, hit enter, and you get current timestamp based on your system time. Okay, so this is my time zone at the end, then seconds, and then you have 4 o'clock 56 minutes 32 second and milliseconds. Okay, so this is your time expression, or you can say date expression. Okay, so you get that by simply calling select keyword, then current underscore time expression. Okay, and you get the output. Next is let's say we will take a look at simple one, Boolean expression. Okay, so for Boolean, I will start with select keyword, then the star, then from, and here I want to check out my database. For that, first I have to remove this and use /c, and then I have to use my database SPB. Okay, so let me go /c SPB. Okay, so if you use this uppercase C, then it will just show you that title is testpb, but my database is testpb. I have to use slash and lowercase c for that to appear. Now that my database is selected, I can go for my list of databases, and here is my database, out of which I'm going to show you what I want to fetch. So this is my company table where I want to check the entries where age is 22. So there are currently 3 entries, and I want to get that. So I'm going to use Boolean expression. So select, then all the entries from company table. Now where keyword age, okay, and then Boolean expression equals to 22, and then semicolon. Okay, then you get these 3 return rows. Okay, so you get name, age, ID, like this. Okay, so what we have seen so far is, first we checked how to do numeric expression with, let's say, keywords such as addition, subtraction, etc. Then we looked at current underscore timestamp, where I can fetch date and time based on the system time. And then I showed you how to get a specific set of result from our database table using Boolean expressions such as equals to. Okay, so these 3 are the expressions that we often use for our PostgreSQL database interaction.